kay idol jud ka na Erika Embang. Gusto ko jud kung makakita ka in personal. Gusto Erika idol kayo ka na. Gusto ko makita ka in person jud.
Hala, uy, gusto jud di ka makakita kay Erika dang.
Oh.
Kaya nga ma-idol ka dyan
Idol dyan na si Ja. Bisag atulog kung dyan mapuyo sa ila ha.
Hala,
ilan kung adapon.
Hala, oy, so ikaw ang Erika Embang nga gamay.
Oh, ako Erika nga gamay Embang.
Okay,
watch
pare.
out pagbabalik ko na ho.
Okay.
Ayan.
Okay, pareha man pud mo og panit na. Hala, gwapa jud ka ma.
Tali, murag ako siya igsuon basi nawali iya kong daughter that lost dog.
Hala, oh, dulos dog jud.
Lagi
Nga naman di ay. Ay, basi igsuon mo Erika Embang no.
Oh, maybe basi wa ko jigi pangita kay was budget ja.
Mungit-ngit lagi. Hi, Miss Colombia.
Hello, sir.
Here is your question. Ayan. What is beauty?
Well, for me, beauty is an essence for being beautiful. Thank you.
Uy, Ginoo ko mabuang. Uy, what for you is teeth?
Well, for me, my teeth is damaged also already. But I have confident my teeth because these teeth have something that...
As a youth, how will you promote under-tourism?
Well, for me, as a youth, I can promote under-tourism by posting social media and also information for other far away. Example, like traveling many for visit in beaches, cave, and more happy in Philippines. It's more fun in Philippines. Thank you.
Unsay gusto nimo? Gahi or humok?
For me, I choose hard because it's very hard and delicious to eat. Thank you.
Ala, oy, ganahan jud ko nimo Miss Colombia kay gwapa jud ka miss. Ikaw nang itinakda. Okay, next question. What can you say about divorce?
Well, all kami kasi is divorce. For me, the divorce, to be honestly, I not experienced that kind things. So for me, that divorce, it depends how the stations, the attitudes, and the personality and appearance for. Thank you.
Hello, oy, ganahan ko nimo Miss Colombia. Go to the backstage. Okay, Miss Colombia, I have a question. Who is your favorite Philippine YouTuber?
Erika Embang.
And why?
For me, kasi masarap sa feelings tumingin sa mga YouTube like video channel and also her personality. Thank you.
English
English mo gusto.
English pa. Kaya wala kadimao ang labanan. English ka agsiri ka Embang kanang di ka sabot og English kanang kuan Tagalog. Go.
Erika Embang. She is beautiful and her likes is YouTube channel to videos far away, like example the view that beautiful and
Unsa ikasulti nimo long sa mga tawo nga nag-ingon nga dili kuno kagwapa?
Well, for me, all I can say that I am not totally beautiful. So, I'm beautiful for me inside and outside because I do believe I contented that God giving for me what I am. Thank you.
La, oy, ganahan jud ko nimo motubag long. Pangkuan na gajud ka. Ana na ay kanang pangpamas award na jud. Unja og kanang naay nay mo kuha nimo nga mag-artista. Mugo ka ba?
Yes, of course. I grab it because that opportunity has totally dream can true for me. That's why I love artists. Thank you.
Perfect English. Uy, ganahan gajud ko sa imong English long kay di mabangbang alibangbang jud. Kanang kuan question again. What is the significance of being beautiful?
Well, for me, significant being beautiful is the beauty with a purpose. For me, that I do believe that beauty makes me beautiful. Always like smile every day. What no matter what happen, keep in smiling. Thank you.
Go.
Judge, mano ka ba?
Bakit?
Lumlumayot luk. Bakla mo sa paningin, makabuntis pa rin. And this is Princess Danson Claire 19. Proud and honored to represent Kawayanan City.
Part 2 is Loy. Ala, uy ganahan ok. Ala. Karang ko pa lagi kalong hito.
Aba, saan?